Hello everyone, today we'll be deriving the quadratic formula using the completing the square method. First we have that ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which is the general quadratic equation. Now we need to take this constant c to the right hand side of the equation. So we have ax squared plus bx plus c minus c is equals to what? 0 minus c. And we'll do that. We have ax squared plus what? Bx is equal to what? Minus c. Now, the next step is to make the coefficient of what? X squared unity. So we divide both sides by a. So when we do that, we have this minus c over a. So a cancel a. So we're left with what? X squared plus 1 b over 2a, b over ax is equals to 1 minus c over what? A. Now, the next step to do is to make, that is that by completing the square here. So on this left hand side, we'll have to take the coefficient of what? X, which is b over a. Then manipulate on it and make sure when we add to both sides, so we complete the square on both sides. So when we do that, we say what we're going to do is to add 1 over 2 b over a, that is half of this coefficient of x, and square it and add it to both sides. And when we do that, we have x squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a all in square is equals to minus c over a plus what? B over what? 2a all in square. So this makes this side to be what? Complete to the square. So which actually means that here, this left hand side is the same thing as x plus what? B over 2a square. So when you expand this, it gives us this. So this is equal to b square over what? 4a square minus what? C over a. Now, simplifying, we have that x plus what? B over 2a is equal to, square is equal to, now when we take the LCM of 4a square and a, we have that 4a square. When you divide this by this gives 1 times b square, we have what? B square minus 4a square divided by a, we have 4a times c, so we have what? 4ac. Now, the next thing to do is to take the square root of both sides. And when we do that, we have that it is square root of what? X plus b over what? 2a square is equal to the square root of what? B square minus what? 4ac over what? 2a. And this gives us, so this 2 cancel the square root, so we have what? X plus b over 2a is equal to plus or minus, so that is what we're evaluating now. Sorry, here is 4a square. Sorry, so we have b square minus 4ac over what? 2a. That is the square root of 4 is the square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of a square is a. So here now we have, now make auxiliary formula of x equal to minus b over 2a, that is crossing the cosine, plus minus the square root of what? B square minus what? 4ac over what? 2a. Now when we take the LCM, we will have that x is equal to, LCM is 2a. 2a by 2a gives you 1, so we have times b gives you minus b plus or minus the square root of what? B square minus what? 4ac. So we actually have two values of x, which gives us, say, for the first value here, we will have that, for the first value, we have that x is equal to minus b plus the square root of what? B square minus what? 4ac over 2e, and the second value will be x equals to minus b minus the square root of what? B square minus 4ac over 2a. And please do not forget to subscribe. Leave comment for more videos. Thank you.